Dear students, see the next question from 11th standard, Unit 10 Measurement Chapter, Ncert exercise problem 2.21. Okay, see the question. Precise measurement of physical quantities are needed to the science. Okay, so accurate measurement important for science. Okay, then for example, to ascertain the speed of aircraft, one must have an accurate method to find its position at closely separated instant of the time. This was actual motivation behind the discovery of radar in the World War II. So, think of the different examples in the modern science where precise measurement of length, time, and mass are needed, that is also needed. Also, wherever you can give the quantity, some idea of the precision needed. Okay, right. Actually, the question என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, so in the modern science, that some precise method, that measurement is very important. So, from the maybe this is the World War II, the Second World War time. It is a very good motivation time to users of the radar, because the radar, the main purpose of radar is to detect it. So radar, actually the radar meaning is radio detection and ranging. Okay, right. So now say for example the same thing, because how much accuracy we need. For example, this aircraft. Okay, this is our country, we are here, these are other country aircraft. Okay, so now you are here with your tank. Okay, with your tank. So now you should know at what time, so you have to pass the bullet and something. Okay, and there's something like that. So it should be reach at particular time here. Okay, it should be hit the aircraft, other countries aircraft at that particular time. Okay, so in what time you have to expose this bullet from the gun, or otherwise in this tank. Okay, or otherwise some bombs or something. Okay, so here the timing measurement also very important, the position measurement also important. Okay, say for example you are here, an aircraft will come. So suppose the aircraft will come here. Now you have to pass the some bullet or something here, so it will be reached at the time simultaneously. Okay, so this other country aircraft and this bullet, it will be reached at the time. Okay, so here the position and the timing is very important. So about that you have to learn in that is projectile motion later. Okay, so anyhow, so we must know some idea, the knowledge about that, the position and time by using the radar method. Okay, so that is already they using in even that World Second War. Okay, right. So like that nowadays they are asking some example for by using the length, time, mouse. Okay, that is also needed. So they are asking with some quantity some example. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So see that the first one. So not only this idea, you can write anything in your way. You can say many things. Say for example, um, let's take TV. Nowadays we are using the LED, LCD, and the more compact. Okay, because it is like a slide only. Nowadays it is like slide only. Okay, because we have to hang on the wall. Okay, that kind of TV nowadays available. But if you observe the past 40 years, 30 years back, 40 years back, okay, suppose on 7 o'clock or 7:30 one program is, you must switch on the TV at least 7:15. Then only we can observe or we can view that program at 7:30, because it will take more time, because instead of the wires they are using that valves inside. So when the electricity passing through the gases, then it will take more time to on the TV. Okay, so while studying that atomic physics, you know some knowledge about um, is that how the current passing through the gases or not. Okay, that is different field. Okay, but anyhow, what I'm saying, so that much of circuit now it is complicated, means simplified. Okay, because you know some knowledge about, you were studying in 12th standard about the diode, transistor, and amplifier something. Okay, and the logic gate something. So that semiconductor field is what is it, growth there. Then size of the electronic device is minimized. Okay, even the touch phone also. Okay, right. So like that, some example. Okay, see that extremely precise measurements are needed in modern sciences. We need. Okay, so as an example, while launching a satellite is a very important. Okay, launching a satellite using the Space Launch Rocket System, we must measure time to the precision of 1 microsecond. You know, for launching the rocket. So you know very well, for launching the rocket. Okay. So now they're counting. You know, on 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So like that, even the microsecond also, it's very important. Okay. So in which time we have to, what is that, launching, that launching times are very important. Okay, so if any even some microsecond, half microsecond is missing, means something happened here. Okay, so that is important of what is the time. Okay, that is important of time he explained. Okay, like that, one more example, the working with the laser. Okay, laser, you know, it is a highly directional one. Okay, even nowadays we are using to calculate the distance between the Earth and the Sun, Earth and other some other planets also, by using the laser method it is possible. Okay, so laser means light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. Light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. About laser also will be studied in 12th standard. Okay, so working with the laser, we require length measurement to an Armstrong unit. So see that much accuracy. So in Armstrong unit level. Okay, because light, you know, right. So 1 Armstrong unit means, you know, there is one, that is 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay, or even the fraction of it, not only 1 Armstrong unit, even the 0.5 Armstrong unit, like that. Okay, we can say some example. For example, laser treatment. Okay, cataract surgery, or otherwise can make some holes here for surgery. Okay, or otherwise that metal drilling. Okay, there's so many field we are using that laser. In engineering, in the first year you are studying. Okay, so the applications of like different types of laser is there: carbon dioxide laser, NdOF laser, helium neon laser. Okay, ruby lasers, there's so many semiconductor lasers, like so many lasers are there. Okay, so by using the laser in that very fractional amount of the holes also, it is possible to drill and something some work. Okay, more minute. Okay, for more minute purpose. And then the next one, so this is for example for the length. Okay, and like that next one, for estimating the nuclear size we required the precision of 10 power minus 15 meter. You know the nuclear size, so atom size is 10 power minus 10, the nuclear size is 10 power minus 15 meter. Okay, ரொம்ப சின்னது. Okay, so while we study in nuclear physics, you are going to study in 12th standard. Okay, anyhow, this is the next one. To measure the atomic masses using the mass spectroscope. So you know the mass spectroscope. Okay, it is also will come in 12th standard. So by using the mass spectroscope, mass spectrometer is there. So in the mass spectrometer, we studying about what is it, isotopes. You know, hydrogen 1 H1, 1 H2, 1 H2, 1 H3, like that, the same atomic number, different mass number. So like that, some is that isotopes. Okay, so we're going to study that mass of the isotopes. So in that kind of spectroscope, in that kind of spectrometer, okay, so that precision is 10 power minus 30 kilogram, because for example, proton 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So like that, even the 10 power minus 30 kilogram, that much accuracy is there. Okay, so this is the example for mass. Okay, so this is some idea. So you have to write in your way, but it's a meaningful. So category, subsection, right? Nothing wrong. Okay, it is like a general question. Okay.